Hey guys, it's PMHK here. So a couple of videos back we looked at, I showed you guys a wireless charger. I showed you guys what I thought was a fully wireless charger. By fully wireless charger I mean a wireless charger that's gonna have both a power bank capability and a wireless mat capability, which is this. This is not a wireless charger per se, it's a wireless mat. But I thought I was showing you guys wireless mat, and I promised you guys that I was gonna go buy a proper, what I call wireless charger, and review it in the channel. But today I got what I promised you guys. So we're looking at this guy. Is the Smart Tech Qi compatible wireless charger, as you guys can see there. So in terms of feature, what you're gonna be getting is true wireless, one size fits all. And now let's grab my knife, which was a gift from one of you guys. Thank you again. So let's open this package. They say always cut away from you, not towards you, away from you. Stay away from knives, stay not. Okay, we are inside the box right now. And let's see what we have inside. Hopefully it came with oh, it looks nice. Hopefully it came with a little bit of juice. We don't gonna need to actually charge it, and we can just test it right away. So this is what the guy looks like. It's white, really good build quality, I'm thinking. But it's, wow, it feels like there is something stuck inside. There's a little bit of lump, but yeah, I like the texture of it. I like the way it feels. It actually feels like the iPhone cover. Yay, it feels like this cover when I actually bought it first. But anyways, let's see what else we have here. We have it at 10,000 milliamp, made in China, obviously. Input direct current 5 volts or 2.1 amps. USB output. It comes with the charging port. This is the USB 3.0, micro USB, and then you have the normal USB here to charge another device. So I'm guessing you can charge one device here wirelessly, and you can plug in another one to charge here while you're charging. And it also has a battery indicator. And right now I think I'm out of luck and it's flat. Hopefully it's flat and it's working. I didn't buy something damaged. So let me charge it and I'll come back to you guys. So I managed to get a bit of power on it, juice if you wanna call it juice, and it took me around 15 minutes, 15 to get it to 2 bars, which is not bad. But before we test it out, let's see what else comes on the box. So we have this, we don't really need that. And we have the cable, the micro USB cable to actually charge your device, and you have the instruction manual, which you don't really need. I mean, it's a power bank, wireless power bank. So let's try it out. Let's just peel this plastic off. So plastic off, and it has a little bit of a rubber grip here so the phone doesn't slip. Maybe this is the where is the box? This is the anti-directional. This is the anti-slippery design that the box was talking about. So let's just go ahead and try to see if it's going to charge the iPhone 10. Let's try without the cover first. I really don't like removing the cover from my iPhone. Let's try without the cover first. And it works just like that. Wow. Okay, let me show it to you guys on the camera. It's not charging currently, and as soon as I connect it to the phone, I'll put it behind the phone, it starts charging immediately. And that's about it. As I mentioned with the other one, the other one needs to be plugged for it to work. This is a power mat, so it needs to be constantly plugged to work. But this one, you can just power it, fill it with a 10 milliamp, and whenever you're on the go, you don't have to carry a separate cable. Actually, this one you need to carry to charge the actual device, but if you don't need this, you can just put this away and you can actually just use the phone straight without plugging anything else, and it starts charging. Now let's try it with the cover. Let's see if it's still going to charge with the cover. Okay, cover on, and it still works. Wow, really impressed. Obviously I'm gonna use it for a while longer to see what's up, but first impressions or my thoughts on it, it's that it actually works properly. Okay. Charge. What is this thing in the bottom? Now let's see, maybe this thing, I don't know, maybe it's just me stretching it. Maybe it also charges wirelessly. So the wireless power bank might actually charge wirelessly, because I see there's a wireless sign in the bottom, but maybe I'm just pushing it. But let me just go ahead and try. I actually didn't read anything that said that it might actually charge wirelessly. So I have my long micro USB cable here that normally stays in the kitchen, and let me plug it in to see if it's gonna work. Fingers crossed. Hopefully it's going to charge also wirelessly. Now let's try this. And it's charging. This is nice. So I didn't know that this guy actually does this, but this wireless charger is also capable of charging wirelessly. Let me show you guys. This is the one that is plugged on the power, and this is the wireless charger. So I just need to go and put it on top of the mat, and it starts charging. So now it's charging on top of the mat. Now it's actually charging, as you guys can see there, charging. So yeah, that's a plus. Actually, it's a bonus. So I'm gonna go ahead and link this thing on the description below if you guys wanna go pick it up. But it's actually a quick, good wireless charger, which I can just charge it wirelessly. Now this thing sits on my bedside table. I actually made a video about the stuff that's on my bedside table. You guys can go and check it out on my videos. And I'm normally gonna leave this on the bedside table for it to just sit there, and whenever I want to charge it, I charge it at the phone. And when this guy is also out of juice, I just go and put it there. So it's charging. Now, can I charge it while it's charging? Let's see. And it's charging. It's actually a sandwich of chargers. So I can be charging this one, hopefully. That's charging, and put this one to charge. Okay. Charge. Oh yeah, and put this one to charge while the bottom one is charging. Wow, amazing. Again, I'm gonna link it in the description so you guys can go and maybe pick it up for you guys to try it out. But this is gonna be it for this video. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, obviously go and subscribe if you like my videos. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you wanna ask any question, also you can leave it below. I'll get you guys on the next video. Peace.